We are set to rock and roll for heat number 1. As everybody is waiting. Oh, here we go. It's the number 808 car lines them up. Oh, we got a little bit of a hit right there. The Shelby Claus 00 car. 808 car. Mary Evans did a little push. They're back around.
Give them hell, Chris!
Lots of driving, not so much banging. As the sand is a little deep in the cars, they're having a little bit of an issue getting moving. Straightening around the number 11 car, Christopher Harold. Seems to be stuck over there. 808 car, Murray Evans. The number 11 car seems to be stuck over there along the edge. The 808 car having some issues. Here comes the number 11 car, Christopher Harold, finally gets off. The 808 car, Murray Evans, having some issues getting it started. As they're doing a lot of driving, a lot of maneuvering, but not much crunching. They do know that it is a demolition derby, correct? And they are supposed to be hitting each other. As the number 11 car backs away from the 808 car, Murray Evans stuck over there along the wall.
Keep moving, buddy!
As the 808 car having some issues. As they're lining them up. Is the sand playing a little bit of havoc? The 808 car is still trying to get moving over there on the corner. On the 808 car, Murray Evans still sitting over there on the side, not moving. The number 11 car, Christopher Harold, seems to be having some transmission issues. Not wanting to go into gear. The 710 car, Justin Cave, is going to push him over towards the wall. Shelby Claus, as they go round and round. Now it looks like we got 3 cars sitting. Oh, now there's 00 cars moving again. They're not doing much banging, lots of driving. The 808 car, Murray Evans, is out. A couple of cars look like they might be hooked together down here. Their number 11 car, Christopher Harold, trying to get things fired up. The Shelby Claus car seems to be hooked up with Justin Cave over there, the 710 car. Still moving. Shelby's trying to get it unhooked. There we go. Now we got the 710 car moving and the Shelby Claus car moving, but they are hooked together. Now Shelby's going to try and get it in reverse. The number 11 car, Christopher Harold, is still sitting there, not doing anything. They're trying to get it. The other two seem to be hooked together down there. It's going to be Shelby Claus and Justin Cave. But they are still trying to get things rotating. The sand wreaking a little havoc. As they're hooked together, not moving. Murray Evans is out. As Shelby Claus and Justin Cave are hooked together, but they are still moving. The number 11 car, Chris Harold, they're going to have everything hold and they're going to have a look. They're hooked together. Chris is out. We're going to loosen up the two.
You had no traction or you had
Oh, they're pulling Hello?
Because we're going to bring in the skid steers. We're going to loosen things up. We got the two cars left in the heat.